Hi there, here's a quick video on how to change the battery in your Suzuki A. You do not need any tools, but you do need a 2450 battery. These can be gotten off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So what you want to do here is take this lever, pull it down this way, and then pull out your mechanical key. Sometimes there'll be a ring there, but just pull out your mechanical key like that. Then you can take your mechanical key and insert it in this slot right here. Push, twist. That will give you access to your battery, and then insert your mechanical key right here to pry out the dead battery. Take your old battery out, the new one goes in this orientation, and then you can squeeze these together and test it. Right here, make sure your red light's working. No need to reprogram, that's all you need to do. Slide that back in, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching, hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.